Yes, so Sanjivani, in the last class, up to how much we have done? I will tell you, okay? After the class, I will tell you. Don't worry. Arithmetic mean, okay. Arithmetic mean, combined mean, weighted mean, combined mean, and missing frequency, done or not, or corrected mean, done or not. Okay. From which corrected mean? Okay, thank you, Sanjivani. So today we will start the median, okay? Because we know measure of central tendency, there are three types of measure of central tendency. One is the mean, median, mode. Okay, so today we discuss about the positional averages. Positional averages also three type. Okay, up to mode. Up to mode will come in your half yearly exam. Up to mode. Median and mode. MCQ type question will come. After completion of mode, I will give some MCQ for practice. Okay, so positional value or positional averages, three type: median, partition value, and mode. This partition value also divided into three part: quartile, decile, percentile. Median means the series we divide into two equal parts, and which of the most middle value, the this particular value below of this particular value is the same number of the items, and upper value also same number, upper below of this particular upper of the this particular item or value, there is the same equal number of items in the series. This is called the median. So most middle value is called the median, and this under this partition value is quartile, decile, and percentile. Quartile, that means the we divide into this quartile into 4 parts, decile 10 parts, and percentile 100 parts. Okay, so these are we discuss in the later, and this quartile, decile, percentile will not come in your half yearly exam. Only median and mode. And mode, which items have the highest frequency, this is called the mode. Clear? Now what do you mean by the median? So median is centrally located value or most middle value of a series, such as half of the values of the series are above it and the other half of the below it. Okay, clear? So let's see. So clear, Sanjeevani? All of you clear this one? Piyusha? Okay. Now how to calculate the median? Okay. So by which process we calculate the median? Okay. So if one series is given, first of all, this series we arrange into either ascending order or descending order, or there is a formula for finding the median is, can I run this one? And this median we denoted by the capital M. Size of n plus 1 by 2 item. Okay. So here M means median and n means number of item. Okay. Now if we take one example, we take some data 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So these are the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, number of n's are the odd 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd. If the number series is the odd series, then we can easily say the most middle number 6. Otherwise, you also can apply the formula. Total number of n's is how much here? N means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also you can denote this one. First item, second item, third item, fourth item, fifth item. So total number of n is 5. Now we put in the formula. M is equal to n means 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, 3, that means third term or third item, third 1, 2, 3, 4, third one this one. So median is 6. Clear? All of you clear? Okay. But now if data are the even number or series are the even number, let's see. The formula of the if series are in even, then formula M is equal to size of n by 2 item plus size of n by 2 plus 1 item divided by 2. So if this series are given like 4, 10, 12, then 18. So here n is equal to 4. So you can apply n median M is equal to 4 by 2 plus 4 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 is 2 plus 3 by 2, 5 means 2.5th item. So if this one is first item, second item, third item and fourth item. So 2.5 is what? In between second and third item, right? So second and third item 10 and 12. Obviously between 10 and 12 which number? Yes, Sanjeevani, very good. So median will be the 11. Otherwise you also can apply like this, size of 2.5th item. Otherwise you can also find out second item plus third item divided by 2, 2 by 2. Also you can use this one. Clear? Okay. Now this one for the ungrouped data. If given the group data, then what we will do? That means group data discrete series with frequency. So question is size, frequency, size is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Respective frequency 2, 3, 8, 10, 12, 16, 10, 8, 6. So for this we need to find out the CF, that means cumulative frequency. So add all the frequency 2, 5, 13, 23, 35, 51, 61, 69 and 75. So total number of n or total frequency is 75. So our formula is what? M is equal to n plus 1 item, size of this one, size of now divided by 2. So 75 plus 1 divided by 2. This one is 38, size of 38 item. So this size of 38 obviously is greater than 35. So this one lies between in 51. Yes or no? Clear this one? Okay. So respective size is what? 38 lies in 51. Respective size is 7. So obviously answer will be, or median is 7. Clear? Both of you? Okay, next we learn the continuous series, and the formula of the continuous series is different. So for today I will end up here. So any questions, students? Okay. So all of you, thank you and bye.